ಅಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರ ಹಾಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. Vendor here, half comes, chat for hours. Yeah, this is the main part of the banyan tree. There are a few branches here and there. ಯಜಮಾನರು ಹರಟೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೀಟಾನಲ್ಲಿ. So here is Sir M. Vishveshwaraya statue, and this park is named after him, the most famous engineer in the world, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅರಳಿ ಮರ ಇದೆ, and they have built a little temple over here. So and there are several benches all over for you to sit and meditate and enjoy the park. It's a beautiful early Mara temple. Another section. We will have some vendors lined up later in the afternoon and evenings. There's one Elnir guy too further down. Here's a little playground where people play shuttle badminton. Nice benches over this side and here too. And some more casitas here for people to hang out. There's a new statue of Buddha right under this banyan tree. It looks very serene and beautiful. Here is another hangout place and an open air gym where people work out. Guess what? Our house is right up there in the corner. So let's walk back.